this guide, I'm going to show you how you can customize your chess pieces here on chess.com using both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by obviously opening up either the chess.com homepage or the chess.com app and open up your settings. Now you do this a little bit differently depending on which device you're on. On PC, you just click this little settings here and then open up all settings. On mobile though, you do have to hit the little like 3-line icon and then go into your settings. But essentially, once you're in your settings, these steps are the exact same. Just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a board and pieces or theme section on here. Go ahead and go to the pieces tab specifically, and then you'll see a list of different piece designs that you can go ahead and choose from. Whenever you click on one, it'll show you like a little preview of what it'll look like on screen, like this goofy looking one right here. Essentially, go ahead and adjust it to whatever you'd like, and then from here, just make sure that you hit save and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can customize your chess pieces here on chess.com on both PC and mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.